Light, sound, camera, action.
Today with us is Tanvi Sachdeva, an alumni of Jesus and Mary College, Delhi University. Also holds a degree in interior design from South Delhi Polytechnic for Women. Her work spreads across residential, commercial ads, music album videos, award shows, non-fiction shows, movies, and web series. Her ethic transcends beyond design to a distinct vertical that defines and differs her from others. This all-encompassing vision begins with a bare shell and progresses to the set's completion with not only props and fittings, but also an expert's eye for art and access. Hello and welcome now to Behind the Flash.
Hi, thank you so much.
Uh, since you are here in this industry for 8 years, so from where did you start your work?
So basically, I'm an interior designer. I had worked for like 6 to 7 months only as an interior designer to wedding industries, and then I had worked for like 3 years in Delhi. Then one fine day, I met few people from Mumbai. They were designers. My company hired them for the set designing for the big Indian fad wedding, and there I got to know about designing and all that. So I moved to Mumbai, and it's been like 6 years now. I'm working as a production designer there.
Oh, amazing, wow. So, who's your role model and how do you get inspired by
So
them?
my role model is Mr. Umang Kumar. You must be aware of Big Boss. So he is the one who is behind all the Big Boss and everything. And apart from that, for movies, if you would ask me, so there are two people, Amit Ray and Subrata Chakraborty. You must be knowing the names of Gangubai, Super 30, all these movies like Padmavat or Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali movies. It's all done by Moonbeam.
Oh, amazing, ma'am. So, if anyone wants to get in this field, what details to be kept in mind while getting into it? अगर किसी को आना है इस फील्ड में तो ऐसा क्या अलग टिप्स चाहिए होंगे या फिर क्या ऐसा नॉलेज चाहिए होगा स्टडी कैसी चाहिए होगी वैसे
For this field, fine arts and design, interior designing, architects, all these basic diploma or degree course you need for this thing. And also, you'll get the basic knowledge in the college. You'll get a lot of experience and everything. All the important knowledge on the sets only, not in the college. So it's all about the experience.
the
You
more
get
you
it on
get
the sets.
experience the more you are skilled, right?
Yeah. Wherever you'll go to the set, you'll learn so many things every day. So it's like that.
प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस तो वो बहुत ऊपर ही रहता है जब तक आपने प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया तब तक आप कोई काम नहीं कर सकते अच्छे से
Exactly. Even if you're working in the office, just designing the sets.
When you were into your initial phase, how did you approach the showmakers or production house?
So I used to work as an assistant when I moved to Mumbai. I started working as a freelance assistant production designer. And after getting a lot of experience, not a lot of experience, but after a few years, I started mailing a lot of agencies or the production houses for my portfolio and all that. When I felt like that, yeah, I can now, design the set by my own, take care of all the things. So I used to mail all these things to a lot of people, but I never used to get any response in return. But yeah, after putting so many efforts, I got an email one fine day. So that was the set, basically the mini version of Coke Studio. That was just for the YouTube thing, which never happened till now. But I had designed for them. We did all the things. We logged everything. It was for Amazon Prime. So I was like, what is happening? Like, after so long, it happened. I got a call for this, and then like I cannot do it. After a month, I got another call from the same agency only. So they were like, you have to design a set for a music album. So I designed 3 sets for them, and within like 10 days of span, the designs were done. For the set construction, we got only 4 days. and there was a shoot for like 2 days only, and then we were done just in 10 days.
So, which music album was it?
This was for Darshan Rawal.
So, how was it to see your name in the credit list? Like, for the
Oh my
first
God,
time.
that was amazing, like out of the world. I've waited for this thing to happen since so long, and after so many efforts and hard work and everything, it was there. So it was super amazing feeling.
How many media projects you have done till now?
So including web series, movies, ads, and award shows, non-fiction shows basically. So there are around 56 shows, 56 in total, not just the shows and everything.
Such a huge number in such a small age.
Thank you. Like I did one web series called. So we recreated the Dongri. Like Dongri is there in Mumbai only, where Daud used to live. No, so we recreated recreated 35 buildings. And there was a place called Musafir Khana where Daud used to live with his family for quite 10 to 12 years. He was born over there only. So we recreated that whole scenario so that we can get the feel of Dongri. Of course, we can't go to Dongri and shoot.
Would you like to give any tips or any motivation to our upcoming generation जिनको set designing में जाना है, field में enter करना है?
So hard work is very important for this. You have to give up on your sleep, comfort, and everything like food and all that. Sometimes on the set there is no fan, there is no AC. You won't get vanity vans every time. You won't even get the washrooms over there. So you have to give up on each and everything. You have to come out from your comfort zone, and you have to be ready for the hard work if you want to achieve something in life.
So, thank you so much for joining us. And I hope हमारे audience को भी बहुत सारा knowledge मिला होगा आज के इस interview से. So, yeah, it was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much for giving your precious time.
Thank you so much for having me on Behind the Flash.